Welcome to the Blizzard 2009. We're up here in Wisconsin, about 40 miles from my home, and notice I'm not wearing my glasses, but I'm kind of suited up to head out and try and get you some footage of what's going on. This is just the beginning right now. We haven't even gotten to the actual storm yet, so yeah, it's not nice out here. Not nice at all. Let's go take a look at some of what's going on. Yeah, you can see how fast that is just coating the windshield. This is my driver's door. You can see the ice. That has been here for a while now, but pretty much has looked like that since about 5 minutes after I parked. It just solidly iced over almost immediately. Got a shirt hung up down here. Trying to cover the door handle here because the wind was just blowing right through it. See if we can get some shots. Not here. This is really fucking nasty. You can see the snow there just whipping across the tops of the trailers here. I'm actually parked in next to another truck. Try and stay out of some of the wind here. Just crazy. Just howling out here. You can see can't really see it too well, there's so much light, but my entire trailer is getting encrusted with snow and ice here. I mean, it's just, everything is just slowly but surely getting covered. It's absolutely ridiculous. And this is only the front edge of the storm. It's supposed to get worse tomorrow. We'll see when we get some daylight if I can get more footage, but this is the introduction to it. You can see the whole fender of my truck here is just covered in snow. Ridiculous. Well, there you have it. That's the first look at the Blizzard of 09. It's not pretty. Not by any stretch of the imagination. Now I got to try and clean my camera up here because I got water all over it now. Got to clean the lens. I got to clean the view screen and everything else. So I hope you people enjoy this. It's going to be interesting. Give you more updates as we get them. Probably tomorrow morning I'll start getting some more footage when we get some daylight so you can see just how nasty this gets. Because it doesn't look like I'm going anywhere.